Good day to you all. How are you all doing? As you can see, I am driving right now. I'm actually driving to Jomtien Beach, and we're just going to take a stroll, a ride along the beach to see what's it's like here. And this is also kind of a test run to see how this all works with the microphone and the GoPro. So here we are coming onto the beach. We're going to take a left here. You can also take a right. That all leads to a swimming pool and some amusement park that is kind of in a derelict, but we're going to the left this time. You can see it's not too busy. It used to be a lot more crowded, a lot more traffic here. All is still a little early. It's around 10 a.m. now, right now. And if you see some interesting spots, I will stop. Most of the restaurants here on the beach are still open, so that's good. Not all of them, but most shops here on the beachfront are open. Not too sure about all the side streets here, all the little sois. But we're just going to ride along this few kilometer long beach. I don't know exactly how long it is, but it is quite long. Here they are building some stage for some water skiing event, I think. I thought at first this was for New Year's because they were already constructing it right then. Oh, and here on the left is the night market. But yeah, there's some kind of jet ski competition going on very soon. And on the left over here, that is my specialty restaurant, I guess, Dutch and Thai kitchen. The Dutch, I'm from the Netherlands, if you didn't know already. So if I want to eat some of my own food, I can do that right here at the Tulip. Here's something interesting. It's like, if you can see it. It looked like a Princess Bubblegum shop, but it is actually a ice cream shop. Better shot. Yeah, it looks very sugary, pink, girly. And I'll probably try it maybe sometime if they are open. Not sure. It's not open yet anyway. Ah, damn it, he just finished practicing. Yeah, here's the beach and some fishing boats, I guess. It's pretty quiet on the beach right now, but it's still very early in the morning. Get away, dirty truck. Get away. Let in. We're not in a hurry. a lot of shops are closed, unfortunately, but we are a little deeper into Jomtien, and it's starting to, the building is going to start, and the buildings are getting less and less. Well, there are of course skyscrapers still there, but yeah, there are less shops over here anyway. Look down the Sois right now. It really looks very abandoned. They're constructing here something on the beach. I'm not sure what. But it's completely closed off, as you can see. You have to even walk on the road. Yeah, I don't know what else is going on up here. So, Jomtien Beach, Jomtien Pattaya Beach. Guess we're going. The beach is quite large up here. Yes, we are end of the construction on the right side. You now just have open beach over here with no palm trees whatsoever, or no seats for rent. You can use as an umbrella if you want to get a tan. Yeah, it's actually quite nice. Nice open area. The road also has changed to more concrete instead of asphalt. If you can ever call it asphalt in here in Thailand. So a lot of it is just concrete. It looks like we're coming to an end. A nice fish restaurant over here. Hola. Why am I saying hola? It's not Spain. Oh, here we are at the end of Beach Road in Jomtien. Yep, this is the end. Looks quite nice here. Well, I hope you like this little video. I hope the sound was good. If it's not, well, then it's not. What can you do about it, huh? And well, it's time to say goodbye for this little test run. You know, let's just say goodbye to the soy duck over here. Hey, hi! Hey! Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time. Subscribe and like this video. And we'll see you next time. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.